Hello everyone in Drafting 10. In this session, I'm going to show you how to create an account at Autodesk so that you can use the web version of AutoCAD, which is the industry standard and probably the best tool to learn on. And right now they are offering it for free, so it's definitely in our interest to take advantage of that. And then it will redirect you to the web version of AutoCAD, which is where we will be doing all of our tutorial work and our live sessions, and basically learning how to do two-dimensional drafting in the course. Please let me know via email or live session if you have any questions or concerns, and I'll try to help you move forward with it.